everybody, Ashir Steve here signing for another tutorial. Today we will be discussing how we can do the animations in HTML with the help of CSS. So without much further ado, let's kick in and get started. Okay, so now let's open our boilerplate here and in the HTML folder. So let's open with the VS Code. So let's open the VS Code here. Now you can see that this is a boilerplate I just wrote that animation.html. So let's quickly give our title here, animation. So let's give a name here. So animation, let's call this one animation color. Okay, so we'll do the animations in color, so that's why I just give the animation as a title like this. So next is we'll just go straight forward, and then we will use the style sheet here. Okay, so here style, and then we close the style. Okay, inside the body, what I want to affect is I'll just write here div, and then div we will use the ID. So let's go here and use this ID. So ID, and then what will be the ID? So I'll just write here we will call this one as my div. Okay, so I'm going to do the animations in the my div. So here inside that color, I want to just give here as a animation. Okay, just to keep something written there. So I've given I want to affect this my div ID called my div, and then animations I just wrote there. It's up to you whether you want to write this or not. It's not that compulsory, but if you want to see only the color, but I want this animation to stay inside the color box. Okay, so that is what I want. So now let's go to the style here, style sheet there, and now we'll just give the first one as here div, and that is my div. Okay, so div type, and it is my div, that this one will be affected like this. So now if I go here and I open the brackets, so in the brackets I want to write, okay, so let's bring to the center this so that we can write a quote inside here. How much will be the width here? Width, and let's give 150 pixel, and then close with a semicolon. Now we will give the height here, let's give height as 150 semicolon, and we will give as a background, we'll put background color, that color, and then in the background let's give a hole. Okay, for the background we'll give green color, and for this animation what animation name we'll just give us an 3D animation. Okay, 3D animation we have given there. And now animation, like animation duration, how much will be the animation duration? Let's say animation, and then we want duration. Okay, so you can give how many seconds that you want. So I want that animation to stay long as like let's say 4 seconds. Okay, so I'll give it 4 seconds there. Okay, so the first part is now over. So now let's give a little bit of the key, how you want that effect. In that 4 second, what color you want to change. So let's put the color here, keyframes. Okay, so here first one I'm starting with the 0%. So this 0%, what I'm going to do is I'll put as a background color. So this background color background color, I want this background color to be, let's say, green. Okay, so we'll put green color first of all, and then second one. So after this 4 seconds the color should change, so I'll give here as 25%. So 25%. I want this yes, background color, background color, I want this to be yellow, so let's put that yellow. And next one, I want that 50%, let's say 50% background color, background, okay, sorry, you is missing here, background color, and then I want that to be red here, red color. Okay, we want that when it come to 75%, we'll put 75%, then the background color change from red to, we will just put blue. Okay, when it reaches 100%, what will be the color that you want? So we want to change this one to background color. We want this background to become black, background to change to black. Okay, so now our things are done. So now let's grab the style. So this is the starting and this is the ending. Okay, let's put this animation only here. Okay, so 3D, because it doesn't 3D doesn't match with the HTML out there, so let's put here, that will be 5 seconds. So let's put 5 seconds out there. I suppose to give here pixel, so the pixel is not given here, that's why the height is very small. So let's save that page. As you can see now it's better, so now you can see better. So now our animation is going on. If I refresh, it's becoming yellow. So whatever we have done here, now you can see that the animation started. First I put green, so it started with the green, then it should turn into yellow, red, blue and black. So you see yellow, red, blue, black. Okay, so this is how you can also do some animations with the help of div and with the CSS style that in HTML. So guys, I hope this video has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you. So please do like, subscribe, so that it will inspire me to do more videos. So thank you and see you in the next video.